Hit that subscribe button to never miss my plant-based recipes and videos. And now we're off to Nook Vibrant Kitchen in Galt, Ontario. Nook was started by Madison Warnock during the pandemic, and she wears a lot of different hats.
Menu maker, chef, I do everything here.
Nook is a plant-based meal delivery service that covers the area between Ajax, Aurora, and Hamilton.
We rebranded. Nook is my nickname, and I wanted this iteration to be a bit more personal. My great-great-grandfather started a business here in Galt in 1881 called Galt Knitting. It turned into Tiger Brand in 1954, I believe. At the peak in 1998, they had over 1,200 employees. I wanted to bring back a type of manufacturing that I could be really proud of. I'm insanely proud of my team and what we do here. Actually, one, Anna, my juice queen, she worked at Tiger Brand in her teenager years.
Nook prides itself on fresh, seasonal ingredients, and so our customers have gotten used to a menu that constantly changes.
I think we've made about 400 different meals in the last 10 months.
And each of those meals contains 12 to 15 different plants, giving a wide and powerful range of not only proteins, but healthy fats and carbs as well. Not to mention a ton of micronutrients. But Maddie prides herself on food that's flavor forward.
This is a green cabbage that we pickle in red cabbage juice and beet juice.
You made your own red cabbage.
Yeah. I know it's redundant.
And now that my taste buds are warmed up, Maddie's promised me some breakfast.
I didn't know that purple cauliflower existed about 2 years ago.
And so this will give you different micronutrients than a white cauliflower.
Exactly. It's more fun when you eat colorful food. So I got us started, and I made us our base. This is an entire head of cauliflower in here. We did a full-fat organic coconut milk, cashew. We did a little bit of vanilla bean. If you're happy with the sweetness, we don't have to add any more.
I'm gonna throw a little more in because we're gonna let the crew have some of this too, right?
Exactly.
And I'm gonna respect the fact that my taste buds are probably a little different from others. So I'm gonna do that as a gift to you people, not the audience. I'm sorry, you can't taste this.
We're gonna add this powder, which you can't see because it's a white powder that I put in a white cup. This is ashwagandha root. This really helps like your tissues, your joints, just kind of like your body's hormone response to stress. So really good thing to have in the morning. We are gonna blend it. So we're now gonna make the topping of this breakfast parfait. We are using blackberries. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, again, to balance out that sweetness, but also because salt will pull out the liquid. So it's gonna get these blackberries cooking.
Cooking in its own juices.
I've never liked like a one-tone breakfast. I always want a little bit of texture. So that's just gonna be the topping. So we can just let that go. This is a mixture: dates, oats, chia seed, flax seed, hemp seed, sea salt, and cinnamon.
Something in there that is different than what I do, so I like it.
I used dark cloves in it.
That's what it is, it's cloves.
Yeah, grab it, put it in there, smoosh it around to make a flat top. We have our jars. So now we grab our middle filling. I normally like to go like an inch, inch and a half of the filling. That looks about good. Now we add the maple syrup. Those look lovely.
I think I overstirred them. You're being kind.
So now we're gonna put these into the fridge for like 20 minutes, allow them to set up. Then we're gonna bring them out, and then we're gonna put that on top. If you wanna use a secondary tool. Ooh, you got good skill.
I don't need no secondary tool, Maddie. Look what I got. Look, I got mad skills.
Then we're gonna add some garnish for texture, and then you have this amazing breakfast parfait.
It's so satisfying. Like there's a crunch, it's smoothie, it's chewy from the base to the bottom. Those cloves are there. They're saying hello. It's so nutritious and healthy and delicious. And there's so many just little flavors just dancing together.
It's like being an adult and getting to eat pudding, but it's good for you. What's your breakfast?
That's my breakfast. I'll see you guys later. I got breakfast now.
Go to pbwithj.ca for these recipes and more. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and click that notification bell.